What is machine learning and how does it work? Machine learning, a fascinating branch of artificial intelligence, or AI. Today, we'll explain what machine learning is and how it works, all in simple and easy to understand language. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what machine learning is. Simply put, machine learning is a way for computers to learn from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform a task, the computer uses algorithms to analyze data, learn patterns, and make decisions. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize animals. You show them lots of pictures of different animals, and over time, they learn to identify each one. Machine learning works similarly, but it uses mathematical models and algorithms to process and learn from data. So, how does machine learning work? Let's break it down into a few simple steps: data collection, training, and prediction. The first step is data collection. To train a machine learning model, you need a lot of data. This data can be anything from images and text to numbers and sound. The more data you have, the better the model can learn. Next comes training. During training, the computer uses algorithms to find patterns in the data. Let's use an example to understand this better. Imagine we're training a model to recognize cats and dogs. We feed the model thousands of images of cats and dogs, along with labels that tell the model which is which. As the model processes each image, it learns to identify the features that distinguish cats from dogs. It adjusts its internal parameters, which are like settings, to improve its accuracy. This process is called training, because the model is learning from the data. Training can take a lot of time and computational power, especially for complex tasks. But once the model is trained, it can make predictions. This brings us to the prediction step. When you give the trained model a new image, it uses what it has learned to predict whether the image is of a cat or a dog. The model looks at the new image, compares it to the patterns it learned during training, and makes a prediction. If the model has learned well, its predictions will be accurate. Now, let's talk about where we see machine learning in action. Machine learning is used in many areas of our daily lives. Here are a few examples. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use machine learning to understand and respond to our commands. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use machine learning to recommend shows and music based on our preferences. Self-driving cars use machine learning to recognize objects and navigate roads safely. While machine learning is powerful, it also has its challenges. Training models requires a lot of data and computational resources. Additionally, models can sometimes make mistakes, especially if they encounter data that is very different from what they were trained on. Researchers are constantly working to improve machine learning algorithms and make them more robust. As technology advances, machine learning models will become even more accurate and efficient. In conclusion, machine learning is a way for computers to learn from data and make predictions. It involves collecting data, training a model, and using that model to make predictions. Machine learning is used in many areas of our lives, from voice assistants to self-driving cars, and it continues to evolve rapidly. Thanks for watching. I hope you now have a better understanding of what machine learning is and how it works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on AI and technology. See you next time.